Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Brian from Michigan on a rainy Saturday. And earlier this week, I installed a shock sensor in my 2019 Honda Accord EX from addshocksensor.com. And I just wanted to make a quick video for anyone thinking of doing it too. I've been driving around for 3 days now, and all my stock equipment is working just as it should. And that does include the remote start. This is an EX, and the new shock sensor is working great too, of course. So if you've ever paid attention to the red light on your dashboard after locking your car, you may have noticed it takes about 20 seconds for it to start blinking slowly. Just locked my car right now. It's that slow blink that tells you the alarm is active. So that's hopefully what you're going to see here in just a second. There we go. And just to show you how the shock sensor works, we'll set it off right now and then very quickly deactivate it. So might want to turn your volume down. Just, there we go. That's enough of that. So if you're thinking of doing this, if you're someone who enjoys a good afternoon project and you're even halfway handy around the house, I'm sure you can do this with no problem. They provide installation videos ahead of time, so you can verify you have everything you need. And it's just kind of like watching over someone's shoulder and then repeating the same thing yourself. And Austin from the site is actually really responsive and helpful if you have any questions or concerns too. So thanks and have fun.